Smile for the camera. Hold your head up high. Whoa, not that high. Lean back just a little bit. I got you. There. It didn't last for very long, did it? You don't like your head in the vice grip, do you? Can't say that I blame you.